Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby, and I have a Stitch Fix. So if you are unfamiliar, Stitch Fix is a subscription box. I got a Style Pass, so I paid, I don't remember, $50 or $60, and I get unlimited fixes throughout that year. And usually they charge you, per fix. Okay, so this is dress one. This is, I love the scallop neckline. It's a good length. It's swooshy. It feels very nice on the body. I think it flows well here in the midline, but it's just a little different with this neckline. I really, really like it. It's super comfortable. It honestly does not feel like I'm wearing anything. Yeah. There's the neckline. The sleeves don't cut you off. You can kind of see the color a little better now. The purple with the greens and the kind of cream and orange. So this one's fun. A pair of leggings and some boots and a little jacket over top, like a brown jacket. That would be kind of cute. What do you think? I like this one. This is really in my wheelhouse. And it's not flowers, but they're abstract flowers. I know I wanted to be pushed outside of my comfort zone, but this is landing squarely and safely in my comfort zone with a little bit of zhuzh. So what do you think? Is this a good one? All right, let me try the second dress on. Okay, so here is the second dress. It's just a little kind of A-line, swingy, good length. The neck is actually better than I thought. It's higher than I typically like, but I don't feel like I'm choking. I would need to wear probably a little cardigan or a jacket or something over top of it, but here's the back. Right? It's kind of cute. It's that teal with the, it's florals. Of course it's flowers. But it's the like pink and white and some blue. Yeah, this is cute. I like this one too. I wasn't sure because of the high neck and the no sleeves, but it's another really comfortable, it's that same kind of soft, almost legging material. Yeah, I like this one too. All right, so what do you think? Good? Swooshy? The third one, we will see. I'm gonna try that on next. I don't know about this one. I can't tell. It's weird that it's just the tie in the front. I feel like it should be tied in the back too, but it does give a nice shape. It is a little short. I think that's probably one of the reasons why I am not super comfortable in it, but yeah. You know, I'm afraid a little too much of a bend over and the whole Cave of Wonders is going to come spilling out. So, but here, look, it's, right, it's like a burgundy red, and then it just has the tie. Here's the back. The, you know, sleeves are good. It's a little stretchy, so it's not, I feel like, you know, if I move, it's going to stretch. It's not restrictive, but the length, it's just it's out of my comfort zone. So you need to weigh in on this one, definitely. What do you think? Tights, leggings, and a pair of black boots. I have no idea. This one I'm gonna have to sit with a little bit, so let me know what you think. Next up, I'm gonna put a t-shirt on and try on the red pants. Right, so here are the pants. I feel like they're up high. They're not too much of a low rise. They have that stretchy, the like ab shaper thing, which is nice. Let me back up so you can see the bottom. They're just like ankle length. I don't know, what do you think? I mean, it's gonna really kind of come down to the incredible price that these are going to be. I think they're good. I wore a cropped shirt just so you could see the whole thing. I would never wear this together. I would wear probably either a sweater with it in the fall and winter, or a t-shirt that comes down a little further. I don't think it looks bad. I think it looks good. I'm just not sure. What do you think? I don't know. All right, let's try those black and white ones on and see what. So I actually think I like these better than I thought. They're not too long. Like, I'm not tripping over them. They're super stretchy and comfortable. They have pockets. I don't think they look overwhelming. This might be something that I would wear since it's got the cute little tie, and it's high waist, so I don't feel like too much of my midriff is sticking out. This is cute, right? I could wear black, I could wear white, I could wear a solid color. I could do this with something like this and like a little jacket or a cardigan over it. So it's just the stretchy with the tie. Okay, what do you think about these? I like these better than I thought. I really thought I was going to be swallowed up by them. I can't tell, so I need your advice. But yeah, awesome. All right, so I am going to put my original dress back on, and we are going to look at what each of these cost, and that will, I think, help a lot with the decision making. So, all right, be right back. Okay, so let's see prices. They do give you like little style cards, how you can style each thing, but the separate sheet is the pricing sheet. And if you keep all 5, you get 25% off the whole box. So let's just start at the end. These are the Market and Spruce Gia High Rise Wide Leg pants in black. They're $54. That's actually not too bad for pants. And they're pretty versatile, and they can go a couple of seasons: fall, winter, early spring, I think. So these were the Democracy Michelle Absolution straight leg pant. Yeah, they're $78. I thought maybe they were going to be $92, but even $78. I've got jeans that I wear a lot, so I just don't know about those. The Steve Madden Fatima tie detail knit dress. This is in a 1X. It's $68 as well. Oh, no, $68. My partner, I try them on, I film, and then I go down and show him, and he said, "Did you seriously just call your the Cave of Wonders?" And I started laughing, and I'm like, I guess I did. He said it's a little too short, and he's right. And it bunches up on my shelf booty. So, you know, what are you going to do? When you kind of have sort of a shelf a little bit, things get caught up there. They like to just hang out on the shelf. This was the Fortune and Ivy Medea brushed knit dress. This is $44. I feel like that's a pretty good price for a dress. I bought a dress from the Target not too long ago, and I paid $35, and I'm afraid to wash it because it will shrink up to nothing. So that's a pretty good price on that Fortune and Ivy. And then this one is the 9 Britain. This is the Hartley scalloped knit dress in dark purple. It's $54 as well. So so the stylist picks the subtotal of everything as is $298. Okay? If I keep all of them at a 25% discount, that saves me $74.50. So that is $223.50 for everything. Shipping is free because of the Style Pass. So it'd be $223.50 if I kept everything. Now, I don't think I want to keep the jeans, the red jeans, or the Steve Madden dress. So the other ones I'm contemplating, but you know, let me know. It's switching into a new season. I have, we've been moving some furniture around yesterday and today. My grandmother passed away, and so we took some of her dressers, and so we've been switching the arrangement of the furniture and what is up here. And pretty soon I've got to go through my closet and kind of put my spring and summer stuff away, get out my fall and winter, although it is supposed to be in the upper 90s this week coming up. I am not happy. I am a fall girl, so I love everything about the fall. Hoodies, jeans, scarves, boots, cool mornings. I love it. So what do you think though? Are any of these kind of good? Will they work in my fall wardrobe that I'm trying to put together for the new school year? Let me know what you think. Comment below, and thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. I think the end of this month is my wantable. I should be getting a wantable coming in the next couple of weeks. So keep your eye out for that, and thanks for hanging out, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.